What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. Today, on Rosa's activity, Rosa's beer band posted on Instagram her cute photos with a cute kid, Abigail. On Instagram post, her cute photo with Abigail, Rosaya caption it, I'm in love. Which means, this time, Rosaya wanted a baby. And it looks so cute that Rasaya carried the baby like her own kid. No wonder Rosa's beer band was ready having a family with her boyfriend Ade. Abigail makes Rasaya's heart happy. Rosa's beer band was happy seeing the kid and played with her. In short, Abigail stole the attention of Urasaya, and as we can see, Urasaya loves it very much. Then my couple today is having a big event from the Chinese New Year 2024. Then my couple wants to surprise all their fans and wanting them to go to their event and celebrate with them at Icon Sham. Guessing it is sure that their event makes the fans and supporters happy.